What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So here the Sony A6400. So the number one tip I'm going to give is the diopter adjustment. So here is the diopter adjustment. You adjust the diopter from here, as you can see. So yeah, so this is the diopter adjustment. It will be a little bit tricky, but you need to do your finger like this. So like this you adjust the diopter. So I wish there was a diopter adjuster dial, I mean better and bigger, but this is what you get and then you have to live with it. So yeah, subscribe and bye.